Okay, please record it.
Okay, this is the PWTK workflow. Actually, it is the workflow. Workflow is the something that have some complex structure, but in the backend it do many calculations. But in this file, we just put some necessary commands. For example, the first
Okay,
command is load from PW input file, and this is the path of the PW input file. This is the
okay,
PW input file for a system whose band structure we want to plot.
okay,
And then these are all the explanation of different options, different commands. This is actually the command used here.
okay,
This command because this part is usually not written, but this is the command. These are different options. These are the different arguments, etc., etc. And here is the little description of these options. For example, if we put the option minus SCF, it will calculate, it run the SCF calculation with the executable pw.x. And then if
okay,
we put the next option minus SCF, and this is the NCF K grid for NSCF calculation, then it will do the calculation for NSCF calculation. And then
okay,
this is a option which is preserve. Preserve mean preserve the out dir, that is make the bands calculation in the out dir copy. What does this mean?
okay,
This means that whenever you have done some calculation and there is out dir directory where your calculation information about your calculation will be present. But
okay,
if you will do the calculation, then these calculation again make the changes to that calculations. So the author of PWTK provide us an option that the original ODR will be preserved, means it will not be changed. Instead of changing this ODR, DIR PWTK will make its own out
okay,
dir copy, and then make the changes, necessary changes. And then this option is minus T option, mean it is the plotting option, and this is the PNG. This is the format of the output file where the image of the plot will be saved. And here is an example of the name of the output file of the spaghetti. Spaghetti mean the band structure. Spaghetti mean the
okay.
band structure.
Spaghetti in my country is food, actually.
Actually, the same as the food because this band structure is resembles to that food, so its name is
Yes,
spaghetti.
yes. That means spaghetti is Italian food.
Yeah, I know it.
In my language, is spaghetti. They call it.
Okay, spaghetti. But
Yes,
this
meaning
is
the word
another.
spaghetti.
Okay, this is something written by the author, and here is the name. You can leave it. You can just
Okay,
write the single name. This. Okay. Then
okay,
there will be the name spaghetti dot g dot this and thus dot png.
okay,
Now I have made restart on, and then this is the command. This is the first option. This is the second option. This is the preserve
okay,
option, and then these are actually the uh,
Gamma point.
plotting
For
uh,
plotting
uh,
axis.
plotting
Coordinates.
dimensions. This is the
Dimensions.
y
Yes.
range. This is the y range. This is the y ticks.
Okay.
This is also something I again forget it.
No
Uh,
problem.
and then this is x range. This minus tpng and the same as I have explained to you here. And then this is the name. You can say that this is the this is the phrase which we write here to actually recognize our calculations and their results, files for calculating calculation files and their results. Here is the name for crystal. What does this mean? This means that uh, actually we have to put after that this path in first brilliant zone. So, what would be the units of this path? Uh, vectors in vectors of this path. This is the unit for the vector of this path. This means that we use the crystal units,
Okay.
and then this is the number of points, number of k points along the path. Okay,
Yes.
and then because here we want to plot the band structure between for the two paths. One path is separated, or there is discontinuity between two paths. So in order to instruct the PWTK script to recognize that there is a discontinuity between the band structure path, then and there should be
Yes.
written in
Ka duba nake.
curly braces. So
Wallahi
this
lafiya
is
lau kwana da yawa ya aikin. Wallahi zan zo kula ya Kano.
okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, and
Kuma.
after after
Yes.
at this time it will plot the
Yes.
band structure. Okay.
Kwana biyu. Wallahi lafiya lau ya Kano ya aikin ne. Last last time. Muna da na ma kira shi ran nan ba abu na amma zan zo wurin shi kwanan nan ba akwai wani abun nan zamu yi da shi. Wai nawa ne
Oh,
kwarin passport ne kudin passport ne yanzu? Nawa ne kwarin
okay.
kudin passport ne yanzu?
It's okay.
Na ma yi ma
No.
ko ina zai na ma yi ma ina da tambayan kwarin price ne yanzu kawai. Okay.
Okay. Now I want to leave. You should go to mosque for Juma prayer. Then after that, let me know. We will start
Ina
from
jin ka
here.
okay na wani meeting. Okay, no problem. Wani ne muna wani
Okay.
meeting ta online kaka damu amma mun ma gama ci gaba da maganan kawai.
Okay.
Ne last year ina sauran page sai 2020 ma 7 ne ko 8 ne ma zai expire ne ma passport na ma kaka damu. Na sani lokacin na ga na yi shi na